Ang cute nila. Ang cute. Hi, Abby. Hi, Raymond. Okay.
I'm cosplaying as King Valentine's.
Okay, so bago ako mag-focus, palakpakan mo na lahat! Thank you so much for being here. So my name is Prince, and I'm cosplaying at Galamir from Honkai Sky High.
Parang kami lang ako.
Hello, Diablo.
Sobrang nakaka-starstruck ko. Wala po kami makitanong sa kanila.
So, Abby, okay lang ba, medyo, makapiyawan mo lang daw. Bakit yung cosplay niyo, favorite character niyo ba siya? Wala lang. First time ko lang siyang sasuot here. Actually, this is our hometown, so we're very excited to meet everyone here. It's very rare na nandito kami, na naka-cosplay. So, I'm excited to see everyone later. We have a booth here for our meet and greet. We can sign our cosplay things for free.
First month, so lahat po ng mga friends namin, we are not selling for the day. Everything is free. Until that, so usually kasi diba nagbibenta kami ng mga friends every convention. But this time, dito lang sa event na to is everything is free. And we are so happy actually to be here. We live 10 minutes away. Fairview Terraces is really important to us. Marami kaming memories dito ni Awi. We used to work here sa Fairview Terraces. Dito kami nag-date. And I'm so happy because dati noon, I'm always wishing for an event in Fairview. Sabi ko kaya I'm down cosplay events. And I'm so happy that it's moving right now. At madalas sa Fairview Terraces sa event. So thank you so much that family and Fairview Terraces for making this event possible. Yeah, and also thank you so much for being very welcoming to every cosplayers dito sa Fairview. May event na tayo!